are my person, my inspiration, and my everything. I cannot wait to spend a lifetime loving you. Our days together will no longer grow in love and devotion, but also in understanding and patience. From this day forward, you and I will be one heart, body, and mind.
Nakakabahan na ako. This is it. Wala pa, naiyak na ako. My goodness. Wow!
Ang pag-aasawa ay itinatag ng ating Panginoong Diyos. At sinabi ng Panginoong Diyos, hindi mabuti na ang lalaki ay mag-isa. Siya ay ilalalampon ng isang katulad. At kinuha ang isa sa kanyang mga tadyang, at ang tadyang na kinuha ng Panginoong Diyos sa lalaki ay ginawang isang babae.
I'm going through changes.
Hi, my love. Finally, after 2 years preparation, we will be standing in front of everyone as a soon-to-be husband and wife. Love, lovey-dubs, my first boyfriend, first kiss, and my first love. Today is the day. Madaming sakripisyo, iyak. Oh my God. What if? Kaya pa ba? At matinding overthink ang relasyon na ito. Madaming doubt at katanungan na laging gumugulo sa isipan natin, pero sa lahat ng ito, mas pinili at laging pinipili ang isa't isa.
Drink from the well. We were becoming us through the joy and the pain and the fallen stars.
Everyone says LDR never works. Oo, munti ka na hindi nag-work sa atin. Pero naniniwala ako na pinili ng Ama na tayo magkasama and be in each other for the rest of our lives.
I am not only proud to be your husband, but excited about the journey we are embarking on together.
Those million miles we walked gave us the song.
Sis, welcome to the family. So happy talaga. We have a sister now.
Finally, we made it. Soon, no more LDR and no more sana all. Pangako, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Before, you face mountains all alone. Starting today, you don't need to worry, my love. We will conquer it together.